Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password of nationwide online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Nationwide Bank. Now click on Login to online banking over here. Now on the top right, we can see this login option. Simply click on Login to internet banking. Now here we need to enter our customer number and we need to enter our date of birth. Now, once you enter your correct details, you can simply click on continue. After which, we need to enter our password. Since we have forgotten the password, we can click on forgotten password option, which will appear over here in the next page. And after we tap on this, we get to reset our password to our email or phone number verification code. Once we are done with that, we can get into same page again and enter our login details and simply click on continue. After which, we can get into Nationwide banking interface. So this is all we can do to reset our password on Nationwide online banking. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.